How do you describe the indescribable? That first electrifying thrill of a new adventure. The first uncertain footsteps into an untamed land. The feel of a world so new, so far from the one you see every day, it breaks free of every attempt to put it into words. For over 25 years, it has been our passion at Oceanwide Expeditions to provide you this experience, taking you closer to the heart of a wilderness you can only know by discovering it yourself. Now, with a new addition to our fleet, we uphold this standard of exploration while creating a new one. Introducing Hondius, the world's first registered Polar Class 6 expedition cruise vessel, named in honor of cartographers whose pioneering work illuminated some of the world's least known regions. Designed from the ground up for the fastest, most flexible response to the ever-changing polar environment. Thoroughly optimized to provide you the most intimate first-hand contact with terrain and wildlife to be seen nowhere else. Hondius features an elegant onboard atmosphere that starkly contrasts the boundless icescapes just beyond your window. Take your pick of numerous cabins and suites, all consummately outfitted in stylish mid-century modern decor. Our fresh new menus will excite your palate, while our vibrant selection of interactive workshops and performances will ensure that what little time you do spend on board, you will spend comfortably entertained. Not only that, Hondius surpasses all the latest green requirements, allowing you to experience these miraculous regions as much as possible while impacting them as little as possible. Step aboard Hondius, the new standard in polar exploration, and join us on a journey into the indescribable.